Big up Crossy Stevie.
Cross is Stevie, cross with the mix up them. Come listen, no come no man. No miss nothing.
I did a
Yeah.
customer friend.
Melo, Momo, I mean a blood clot. First
You
aid.
want me to go for my life? You
Yes,
can't come over here
yes.
with this
Mama,
thing.
go for your life. Some man, yeah. Yeah, this
Me I
man
go
do
for
it.
my life. You can't do this
This
over here.
man, not
Banks.
no fuck. See, this man,
Banks, me
yeah,
have to
no
go
go.
for my
Yeah,
life. You can't.
Hey,
Come
come
hello.
and
on
see.
here.
Me I
You
go
must
for
be
my life.
stop
We
with blood
cannot do this
clot.
here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You
later.
want clothes? You don't want clothes, right? Now you no clothes. Them want clothes, me I give them blood clot.
I'll be a badness over there. So. Bucklet. You have content for days, my G.
Him say, see me man here. Kim, I jump me in there red when me say, what? But I allow the man to. Hey, somebody tagging Kim. Costa tagging Kim for me there. Come boy. Brandon, you have some explaining to do. Come on, ask him some question to you know. Send Kim the live crosses TV. Hurry up. Boy, she come off for the other phone? The other PH crosses TV? No, sir. You see, every time I tell them I swear stay out of trouble. Trouble. Look how me about me business. So don't care that go on the people them live when they see me. She come off for the She said, see me man, yeah. Come here, Kimora. I wish you name Kimora for. Kim, actually, we put up the thing earlier. I said, with Brooklyn, yeah, made them. At least we don't say, here they come, Kim. Kim says, see me, man, yeah. Brandon, you look like near in a headlight to Pussy Clan. No, sir. Oh, Kim, you come. Come. Come here, Kim. Kim said it request. Hey, Kim, you mix up, you know.
Me love it just like you know. You see it. Me
Oh, you
love it
say
just
mix
like
up.
blood clot. You
Never
see
say
it
me
just
love
like
my
blood
friend.
clot. You know.
Come here, say I beat my friend Melo and I don't like it.
No, your friend I come for me. I never sent for her. She shouldn't do that.
No,
She
you
has sent
said
to me.
Duffy for Melo.
No, I did not. I would never do that. Your friend has
I
sent
mean,
to
you
me.
the vice note when you did a cuss me and not nice said it, give me.
Yes, me a customer because from last year, not nice and Melo, I tell Brandon say me blood clot kid. Tell my cousin forgot talk about Brandon Kaki. Tell your friend say me no do me
Me
work.
no know what
Me no
you
do me
talk
life.
about. You have to
Me no
explain
do
that
me
part.
life. Me no do that. If she want fuck Brandon, she fuck Brandon like
You know,
no.
say, no, one thing, what you know,
So
Hey
what?
smoke more
Brandon,
class,
talk
yo,
to them.
strike, yo, mama.
No,
Kid, stop it, man.
Brandon, make him talk. We
Big
want to
woman,
hear
never do
Kim's
it. Me not big
side.
My
woman.
split class, you know, man,
No,
stop it,
no, me
man.
a big woman.
My
Me a
son,
tell
stop
Melo
it, man.
thing for style me. When Melo style me, never tell put her in
Me
a
a big
blood clot
woman,
place.
bro, but
Me a
stop it,
big
man.
woman. Yeah, me a
Oh,
big
no,
woman.
in a
Just stop it, man.
poly life now. Just
Stop it, man.
Mama,
Yo,
everybody
but
just need
Brandon,
to
look
be
what
happy
happened, Melo, man.
together.
yo,
Mama.
Bro, Brandon, keep on your man for real. Keep on your keep man for real, Brandon. You have to behave yourself. Yo, get somebody what the fuck? You know about the still half of the life we don't know. You know somebody that laugh we don't know. All the time, sir. Brandon, me don't like this, bro. Me tell Melo, you know. Yeah, come here. I don't just have to live happy. I live in a polygamy until I guess who go who want stay. But you know, say the two who done left. Because who don't love this shit. But tell me, you know, who don't love it. Kim say, yeah. I say, Kim a bad blood clot, y'all. Wake him there. Kim come rush me upon the people them like, me see her name coming out of the room now. Boy, that's why everybody afraid me. Everywhere I go, people afraid for me go upon them page the pussy clot. A man, and call it a deer. Cause this is crazy. Bro, Melo not the life from this morning after. Keep you come right out as a sibby man here. Keep them never say enough for your band door. Boy, you come here. Brandon, don't say me and keep carry easy, please. My God. Food no man. Sharing is caring. I don't want to share anymore. Boy, you're so nice. Me say. Boy, this I get worse by the hour. Kim says, see me man, yeah. Brandon says, stop this fuckery and come out for the life. Momo, stop. What thing, Brandon, I disrespect me, though. Me, I'm friend-in-law. Hey, Kim, type up with, hey, Brandon, friend, you fuck. Kim say, yeah. I better style me. Yo, y'all might as well just have a poly relationship and work out a schedule. This was crazy. This is why them not met my people don't want me father, but they put a good life. I came cab up to a pussy. Where Melo there? No, sir. But tell Melo say, them two trauma man, you know. But I've kept my facts, keep my question. But what interview blood clot Kim? Brandon Low Kim make she come talk. But what interview Kim? Big old man thing. But what interview Kim? Kim just say you're a man, so that means they really say you never fuck Melo. Me no know. As a man just say, oh, you get catch you fuck the two of them. Who want go? Who want stay? Some deal with the man them in my backsliding days. Why me can't even stay over here? I can't even stay over here. We don't know. Why keep come back? Wait till my friend Melo call me. He might say, "Kim, remember say Melo, my friend." Yeah, but Brandon Melo style me. Yeah, might as well be party, baby. Yo, I want to talk to Kim. I don't give a fuck. Kim come up brawling. The man take the phone. I said, stop this. Hey, come like a Cheetahs. You ever watch the show Cheetahs? Yo, that shit was funny. Let me have one of my... Yo, this was crazy just a while ago. Bro. Brandon, please leave the yard and give Kim her phone. Damn. Me over there for the good people them life, you know, Kim come kicking in the door, say, yeah. Cause me have a lot of questions. I want to ask him about Costa. I want to ask him about Bojo. I want to ask him about this toxic relationship. I really want to sit down and have a conversation with her. I'm serious. Cause you can't say he met Melo style you. You have to take it up with Brandon. Sometimes we have a lot of misplaced anger. That's what I was explaining to Sophia. You different though, Kim. I can't sit down and have a reason with you. Because I said, okay, me I am for do this. You probably say, yeah, me I am but so what, Ray. She no want come take it up for her and I want come war with me. She want war with me because me say she I am because she come over and say, it's my man. And know the man say him never fuck Melo. I better have video up with the man. Me here when the fucking's them in progress. No, you want 5%. She don't make no sense. But Kim, me talk to you, because I have to be fair. Melo know say me have an open platform. Because Melo we come up to, you know. But it look like say Brian a all the order where you have to all you know, him a run order. You know what I say? Brother, if you behave yourself. Bumbo clot. Come say Kim here you style my friend today. How it go? Hey, Kim, come back. Wait till Brandon left. I'll send me a DM.
Francis TV, we play that song there because guess what? You know, so we are top girl road. That's why we are top girl road. We are top girl road. Yeah. I don't want to do this for the 2024, you know, because what some ugly girl a come for me. But I don't know them. I don't know them ugly girl them, you know. I don't know them ugly girl them. I don't know them accents for me family come for me for. Girl, me you know mate. Me you could never be mate. Cause my own man and my own baby father will take the phone and talk to you and say you ugly no blood clots. My one baby father. You say when Brandon come with the mix up, Brandon say Bojo call him. I'm tell him no crack this TV. Cause any man me fuck me can't say my blood clot fuck. Talk truth. Jennifer Blaze appear like them a tell pa me, you know. Them me come in like Jada Kingdom. Them say me fuck rat, me fuck cat, me fuck bat, me fuck every blood clot in the world. But I know them man no poop and blood clot him. Yes. Them man no poop on me, you know. Cause see me want put up this, you know. Hey, ugly girl, me not call you by your blood clot name. Don't send for your blood clot me. Cause me never send for you, me never come out your way. Are you a trouble me, you know? Yes. Hey, big pussy girl, Jennifer Blaze, you don't know from where you diss me and style me. But you never see my pussy yet. I never see my pussy yet. Cause my pussy a golden blood clot pussy. A top shelf blood clot pussy me have. Your friend not have that. Brandon this one and Buju this one blood clot your friend. Go suck your mother. That me I tell you. Go suck your. Go deep over your deep big pussy mama. That me I tell you. Yes. Me no follow back a boy. Boy have to follow back a blood clot me. Me say tremble blood clot here. Me say the boy me take. Me boy like that me can't tell any boy me take a boy. And me take blood clot. Buju me say my blood clot again. Buju I'm bedroom. Buju I'm family. My wife and my family. A history. I'm a be a father best friend. Hey girl suck. Come on for this blood clot. Brother no want Melo. Brandon no for ugly girl. As bad as thing me no like Brandon at this moment. Brandon no for ugly girl. Brandon like pretty girl, slim girl, look good girl like me. You have to slim and pretty like blood clot. Me Brandon no for ugly girl.
Kid, he's a big fucking woman.
Brandon me not do it.
Fucking lie with the stupidness, man.
Brandon stop it.
The fuck, man? Nobody not laugh.